Today we are performing practical number 5, which is write ALP to find the smallest or largest number from the given data byte stored in the internal or external data memory location. In this practical, CJNE and DJNZ instruction of 8051 microcontroller perform two tasks in single instruction. The application of these instructions can be demonstrated in finding the smallest and largest number from a block of number. This practical will help students to develop skill of use comparing and loop instruction. Here two instructions are mainly used in this programming. Largest number or smallest number can be found from block of data using the compare and loop instruction. In 8051 microcontroller is an example of CISC machine which has few complex instructions like CJNE and DJNZ. What is the CJNE and DJNZ instructions? CJNE destination, source, relative address. In 8051, the action of comparing and jumping are combined into a single instruction called CJNE. It compares two operands and jump to the relative address if they are not equals. In addition, if changes CY flag, it indicates if the destination operand is larger or smaller. This instruction is used to find the largest or smallest number. In DJNZ, RN, relative address. This instruction decrements the contents of register and jump to the relative address. If not 0, both these instructions are used to find the largest or smallest number. Here sample program is there. Write the ALP to find the smallest number from the given 5 bytes stored in internal memory location 40H onwards and store the result in location 50H. Means here we are using the 5 address which are 40H, 41H, 42H, 43H, 44H. These are 5 address having the 5 numbers. We are compare these 5 numbers to the largest number and finding the smallest number, and this result is stored in the 50H location. For that purpose, here our program for the smallest number. Here is the program. First instruction is move R0, 40H hex. In this instruction, initialize the source pointer R0 to 40H. Then move R1, #05H. Here we are initialize the counter. We are having the 5 numbers, so we are initialize the 5-bit counter. If we are having 7 numbers, then we are using here 07H hex, or we are having the 8 numbers, then we are initialize here 08H. So that this is the 05H counter. Then next instruction is move A, #0FFH. Here we are moving the accumulator, higher value is 0FFH in the accumulator register. Then we are labeling up here. Then move B, @R0. Here R0 having the first data. That data is moving to the B register. Then CJNE A, B, down. Here CJNE instruction is used to compare the value in register A and B. That by comparing this value, then go to the down level. Down level is JCA_small. Means here carry bit will be checked by this instruction. Then move A, B. Here if the value in the B register is small, then that value is moved to the accumulator register. Then what is the A_small label having instructions that increment R0. First 40H addressing value is moved to the R0 register. Then now we are having to increment that R0 register. So R0 having the 41H addressing value. So after that DJNZ R1 comma up. In this instruction decrement the counter by 1. Is it 0? We have to check, is it 0? If no, then jump to the up level. Here DJNZ instruction decrement the R1 which is the our counter register, which is decremented up to 0. Decrement this value up to 0. If DJNZ R1 is not 0, then jump to the up level. So this up level is continued 4 times because our counter is 05H. Then move 50H comma A. In this instruction, accumulator having the smallest number by comparing the 5 numbers, then accumulator having the smallest number. These smallest number as per our program move to the 50H value. So the accumulator move that value to the 50H register, 50H address. Then SJMP S, which is having halt after the smallest value is available, or we can say end after having our smallest number, then stop this program. This is our finding the smallest number program. Here we are having output of the kill programming. Here we can see that memory window here, which is having I:40H. 40H location having 5 numbers. Here number are indicated 05, 03, 06, 07 and 02. In these 5 numbers, 02 is the smallest number. Which number is smallest number is saved at the 50H memory location. Here we can see the output, our 02H is transferred to the 50H memory location.